God.
Hello YouTube, this anime guy is still alive. Use him, kill him. We cannot kill him no matter what. He has hit a cop in the nuts like 5 times. And he beats up Stag and everything, but he always goes after us. See? This is pretty fucked up. I mean, look, he would have already been dead, but no, he's not. And oh my god. And now my friend, I think, is gonna get punched. Yes, and my friend, like, kind of dies by this guy.
I never died. I never even seen this dude before.
Yeah.
I never fucking seen this guy before.
Yeah, he's kind of like invincible. So I found him. My friend wants to try to kill him though, but I think he's not gonna be able to. Like,
where the fuck's the car when you need one?
Like, look at him. He's just punching my friend.
Fuck you, nigga.
And look, he's just jabbing him whenever a chance. Like, he jumped in the car.
Fuck you!